guys, I'm back with another quick review. Since this product is fairly new, I figured I'd do a quick review to post here. And this is the Selena Gomez Rare Beauty Melting Cream Blush, and I have it in the shade Nearly Apricot. As far as claims with this blush, it's supposed to be a breakthrough, mistake-proof, liquid-like cream blush that melts into a second skin for the most natural-looking wash of soft focus color. And I wanted to feature this product because I've never been a fan of cream blushes. I have a lot of acne scarring on my cheek area, and so I have to be careful in applying kind of like creamy products on the cheek area because a lot of the times they would lift the coverage of my foundation on my cheek area, and I would hate that. So I would always have to go back and reconceal any of my scarring that's on my cheeks and then apply the color again. But this formula is so different from any of the cream products that I've tried in the past. So I really do believe its claims that it's a melting blush. So the moment it kind of makes contact with your skin, it's super creamy, but it doesn't have like the heavy waxy feeling a lot of cream blushes. This product just delivers beautiful color without lifting the product underneath, which I'm really happy about. And I'm definitely going to check out the other colors within this collection because this is the first of its kind that I've loved. If they made a bronzer with this formula, it would be so good, and I think it would be a hit because it's just wonderful. As far as longevity, a lot of people have complained that it doesn't last a while, and I've never really had that problem, mainly because I in particular don't really like too heavy looking blushes, and I find that it just wears together with the rest of my face makeup, and I don't find that it fades any faster than any of my blushes. So if you're looking for a new blush to try, I would highly recommend this one. It's really nice. The formula is so good, especially if you have problematic skin on your cheeks and you have never been a fan of cream products. I would highly recommend it. So that is pretty much it with this quick review. If you found this review helpful, I would appreciate a thumbs up. It would really help out my channel, and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I'm on Instagram like all the time. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!